Most people know that the trucks we see on the road are heavily regulated, and they should be. They're huge, they're carrying heavy loads, and they're flying at highway speeds. This is an industry that absolutely requires skilled drivers behind the wheel. But how do we know that the drivers we've encountered are skilled and are experienced at what they do? In order to operate a commercial vehicle, drivers can't saunter up to the DMV and get a CDL license upon request. They have to go through rigorous testing, both physical and educational testing. And they have to follow many guidelines outlined by the federal regulations. And a lot of their employers require something additional to that. Some companies require the drivers to even know how to fill the truck and what kind of load should go in what truck. For instance, we've seen a case where the driver was responsible for monitoring the load, but he was not properly licensed or educated in that skill. So he had the wrong load in the wrong truck, held down by the wrong equipment, and he's barreling down the highway at highway speeds. He veers off, corrects, and his load, huge steel coils, come barreling out the side of the truck and land right on my client's vehicle. As a result, my client almost lost his leg and his life. If you're involved in a wreck with a commercial truck, it's vital to know whether that driver was properly trained and has the right experience and licensing to be driving that vehicle. Should that vehicle have even been on the road? Should that driver even be behind the wheel? Handling a commercial truck collision case is more than just about the mechanics and the debris. Sometimes it involves really digging into the paperwork to make sure that all the ducks are in a row with the company and the driver. Make sure you call someone who has the experience to know where to dig and to know what's important, to know whether that truck should have even been there in the first place.